Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Unlock your iPhone XR and open the camera app to scan the QR code. Position the back of the phone 3 to 6 inches from the code until a notification appears. If your iPhone is locked, unlock it with Face ID or your passcode first. Confirm that your device runs iOS 17 or newer for the most updated QR handling. Turn off Bluetooth temporarily to avoid profile conflicts during setup. Point the camera at the QR code and wait for a Wi-Fi notification to appear. Tap the notification to open the Join dialog showing the network name and security type. Verify the SSID and security match the network you expect to join. Tap Join to allow the iPhone to attempt automatic authentication using the QR data. If the QR fails to autofill the password, tap the password field and enter it manually. If Join fails, restart the iPhone and try rescanning the QR code from a clear image. Move closer to the router to improve signal strength while you retry joining. Open Settings and tap Wi-Fi to confirm the iPhone displays the connected SSID and an IP address. If repeated attempts fail, choose Reset Network Settings in Settings General Transfer or reset to clear cached credentials. Backup important data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.